So as a homework assignment for you, even if your repertoire is small, you can make it small but mighty by adding all of this stylization. I think for beginners, the buzzsaw and butterfly are probably the two easiest moves to really start looking at stylizing, because like the butterfly, it's really easy to go up and down. It's on the same side of your body. You can move side to side with it. You can make it big in size, and you can start playing with each of those layers as a result. And what you might want to do is set aside in each of your practices, I don't know, 2-3 minutes where you pick 2-3 moves, or maybe 6 moves, and you, for 30 seconds at a time, just try and stylize the move. It's not about connecting the move to anything else. It's about making the move be an expression of you, how you feel you want to represent yourself in your spinning performances. And you may do 6 minutes, of which you find 10 seconds that you like style-wise. But if you record it, you'll have a sense of, this works, this doesn't, this doesn't, this doesn't, don't like this, don't like that. Ooh, this might work. And in the process of looking at yourself doing this and experimenting with it, you may be able to uncover elements of your own expression that you hadn't considered before, simply by playing around with it.